Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your name on Roblox. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! To change your name on Roblox is a common question among players who want a fresh start or simply regret their original pick. Whether you're aiming for a more unique name, something trendier, or you're just cleaning up an old account, changing your Roblox username or display name is a quick process. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Roblox. Now, you can go to your profile by click on the three dots over here, or you can just click on your profile on the bottom right up top right here. You can click on edit profile. In here you can change your display name. For example, maybe I will change my display name. You can click on save. After you finish edit your name, here's one for your display name. And if you want to change your username, you can change it, but you need Robux. It's about 100 1000 Robux, so you can buy Robux first to change your username. But for display name, you can change it free. But after you edit your display name, you need to wait uh, until 3 days to change your display name again. It's very simple, right? Here you can also give description about about yourself on Roblox. You can change your profile. So here's your profile, your new display name. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change name on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!